How to join the Forge Discord server on your Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and join the Forge Discord server on your Android device. First, open your browser on your Android device. After that, search for the Forge Discord server in the search bar. From there, look for the official invite link from a trusted source, such as the Forge official website or social media pages. At this point, tap on the invite link to open it. In the next step, if you have Discord installed, the link will automatically redirect you to the app. Following this, tap on Accept Invite to join the server. Once done, you'll be taken directly into the Forge Discord server. Finally, head over to the rules channel first and read through the guidelines before jumping into any of the other channels. And that's it. If this guide helped you join the Forge Discord server, give it a like. Subscribe for more Discord tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.